Hello guys, this is Michael. Now today we got to introduce our FR 2050 power phase test instrument. Now you can see this is the display and this 4 button, and the current test cable diameter is 150 mm. We have another stylo, the diameter is 300 mm. So today we got to test this power phase meter. Now, firstly, let us insert the cable. This is green, this is red, yellow, and green is voltage test cable. We should put insert. Okay, now yellow to yellow, red to red, green to green. And the last is earth cable. Okay, the cable connect well. Now we got to put this is carbon cable, put inside. Okay, and then actually we have set the data already in the calculator. Now we start. Now you can see this is the voltage 220, 10.3 amp here. And also we can snap the voltage cable. We have a 3 voltage cable. You can see we can set, see 1, 2, 3. We can set the second one and check the data. Yes, it's same, 220 volt and 10.3 amp. Now we got to see the KVA. Snap. Oh, this is the phase. This is the phase angle. You can see this 3 phase angle. 120, 120, 120. Okay, this is hertz. The time setting. Okay, this is the power per hour. This is the KVA. You can see it's 2.233, and this is the VAR. 19.49. Yes. Okay. So it's simple. Do you understand? If you have any message, just type to us. Thank you for your time. We got finished the testing. Bye bye.